Hello. I'm going to be unboxing my very first BLYTHE doll ever. I got in Osaka, Japan, and just want to say I apologize for any background noise. I've got a puppy and she's loud. So I got the Heavenly Strawberry from the store called Junie Moon in Osaka, Japan. This is the bag they gave me. And I know that they have a location in Tokyo and Osaka. I'm not sure about any other locations. And I'm going to insert some photos from the store. I didn't really take a lot of photos or videos because they had a lot of like no filming or photo signs. So the things I did take pictures of were from the outside, or if I had a sign that said it was okay to photograph. If you've ever been to Japan before, you understand that they don't really allow you to just take photos of anything. Very different from the West. Totally fine, but that's why I didn't get more footage. And I also got a DIY accessory book. All right, here we go. Ooh. All right, so they have this which has perforated edges, so you can like actually pop it out and put it on top of the stand that it comes with. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. She's so cute. She's so perfect. My gosh, I'm so in love. As you can see, she's well packaged, so give me a minute for me to unwrap all of this. Okay, here she is. I was trying not to damage the box, like the insert that she was tied to, but there was so much tape that there was no way. Alrighty, so she's got little plastic covering everything. Her hair needs to be brushed, but my gosh, is she cute. So her little strawberry dress and cute bangs. All right, so her whole body has more wrapping on it, so I'm gonna have to like undress her and cut all this off. Finally all unwrapped. There was so much plastic, it was a little overkill, but she's so cute. So her head is very heavy for like a doll, and definitely has to have a stand because she'll just topple over. Detail of her face, she's got pretty pink lips and pink blush. It's like a nice heavy like plastic on her face, and then the rest of her body feels like, maybe not here, but her arms and her legs very much feel similar to the way Barbies feel. And oh yeah, the tag, the pull string, not the tag, for her eyes. I'm gonna try this now. Oh my gosh, another pink, another blue, dark blue, bright blue, I don't know what you call that, and then orange, and these are like a turquoise. All right, I'm pretty sure I've cycled through all of them. So there's like this teal, blue, green. There is, I would say, like peach color, like a deep blue, and then I would say an orange, and then we're back to our like teal-ish green blue. I'll just leave it at this one. This is my first time even holding a BLYTHE doll. Like I've never even held one before. Oh my gosh, I love her. She's so perfect. All right, so now I'm gonna put her back in her dress. She's back in her dress, her little strawberry dress. It just has a Velcro to be able to take it off. Obviously, with these dolls, if you're gonna buy or make clothing or accessories, basically it needs to be able to open in the front or the back, because her head is so large compared to her body. I mean, obviously it's designed that way on purpose, but you couldn't like knit a sweater and then pull it over her head, so to speak. So yeah, it has to be like open in the front or the back. I love this dress so much. Just so cute. And now I'm gonna open up her other accessories. She came with this freaking adorable jacket. All right, so these are the stand pieces. This says BLYTHE on it. And this just goes in here. There we go, now you can see it. All right, these are her little tights. I don't know if they're knee-high or thigh-high socks. Oh, they're actual tights. All right, and these are her little shoes. They're like cute wedges. Oh my gosh, these are so adorable. And I know I had a pair like these when I was younger. Ooh, they even say right and left. That's awesome. Okay. Yes, if I was, there we go. Oh, obviously the buckle is an indication as well. These are so adorable. I wonder what it's gonna be like trying to put these around. We shall see. This is her beret. This beautiful red velvet bow. This fabric is really nice. There's a really nice texture on it. So cute. You do need to have this to go around her head, and then you can kind of mold or push down the cap around. I think that looks really cute. All right, so here she is with her jacket on. This is the best part, is her strawberry buttons. I am so in love. I am so in love with her. She's so cute and perfect. And here's her hat. Oh my gosh, too cute. Yes, I promise I'm gonna brush her hair. I promise. Oh my gosh, I love her so much, so much. And I just have to say, we all know that she's a collector item, but her clothes are very hard to put on, I would say. I wouldn't want to undress her and put new clothes on often. It's very challenging. And I know these dolls are not for kids, they are collector items, but as a kid, I'm just trying to imagine like dressing her and undressing her, and this is definitely not for kids. I would not even feel comfortable letting like a mature 12-year-old dress or undress this doll, because they're like kind of fragile, and it's just really honestly difficult to do. With that being said, I love her so much. I'm so glad I got her, and I cannot wait to make some more accessories for her. Okay, so I also purchased this sewing accessory book. They had also a crochet one, and I do crochet, so I almost bought that one. Except they had like a sample one open of each of these, and I really preferred the dresses in the sewing book more than I preferred the ones in the crochet book. So that's why I did not get the crochet book. But I'll show this one to you later. It has a lot of really cute pictures. And then in the back, the last pages of the book are the actual patterns that you can cut out. This is her cute wardrobe. I just love the artwork of this book too, because they kind of make it like a little collage-y. They go by seasons as well. So like, this is one of my favorite dresses. But yeah, the art that they do around it is really pretty too. So I love this dress so much. Oh, and then this, they make it look like paper doll dresses. Did any of you grow up playing paper dolls? Is that even a thing now? I loved it. This one is so cute. Like, you can make her headband, her dress, apron. You can even make the tights. Oh yes, this is one of my absolute favorites. Look at the beret. Oh, cute. How cute is that shirt? Halloween witch's outfit. Freaking adorable. And the yukata. She really needs a yukata. So adorable. Oh yes, look at these bags. I love this bag. Oh, I didn't realize it has like a tail, like a bunny tail kind of. That's so cute. Ah, so much fun. Oh, look at the little fake Chanel bag. Adorable. Another feature I noticed on her face, is there's like kind of like eyeshadow above her eyes, and I think it helps not only look like she's wearing makeup, but it helps with the dimension of her face, kind of like her eyes being into her skull, if that makes any sense. Now noticing something. When you pull her pull tab to change her eye color, the eye color doesn't just change, the position of where she's looking changes based on the eye color. So this is like her, I would say like peach colored eyes. And she's looking forward. Now if I pull the tab again, there's basically, they're the color of like this coat, and they're looking to her left. And I pull it again. And now there's the orange color, she's looking forward. Now I pull it again. Now there's these like light bluish green teal. They're looking to her right. And I pull it again, we're back to the pink. So she's got 4 eye colors, pink, deep blue, orange, and then like a light teal. That is such a cool feature. I had no idea. Okay, lastly, I just want to show you the receipt. Cost-wise, due to the exchange rate, the current exchange rate with US dollars versus Japanese yen, the US dollar was much stronger. And so I did get quite a deal. It feels like I got a deal. In the past, when I look online for BLYTHE dolls, I would say they're usually like 300 US dollars. You usually can't find them for less than 200 US dollars, or ones that I actually really want. So the doll, she was 18,500 yen. The book, which was on sale for 1,350 yen. And my grand total after tax was 10%, I believe, came to 21,835 yen. With the current exchange rate, what I paid in US dollars was 139.95. So yeah, I paid basically 140 US dollars. I think I got a freaking deal, for a brand new doll. And then they also gave me this, basically said that if there's any defects with the doll, it is the manufacturer's issue and responsibility. And so she gave me this paper to contact the manufacturer if I need to. Thank you for watching this BLYTHE unboxing video with me. Again, this is my first BLYTHE doll, so we got to experience this together, and I will be back making more videos after I make her some accessories, and hopefully there'll be some like DIY clothing or accessory videos in the future too.